Following the last video, today we will continue to share the situation why the lamp does not go out for a long time after installing the light controller. The main reason is the lighting being tested in an unsuitable environment. Some customers who use mobile phone light to illuminate the photosensitive in the indoor environment in this window. And the light will turn off. It's okay, but when it comes to simulating the night environment, they are just turn off the light on the mobile phone, forgetting that they are LED light in the room or outdoor light, which will cause the light to stay on. If you want to test the controller, simulate the light at night, we should cover the light controller with an object or a box, like this, so that it is completely in a dark environment. Have you got it? I'm Stella from LongJoin, and that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.